Module 3 is all about problem solving and reasoning. In our daily lives, we make decisions based on our reasoning. But this is a process that varies depending on the situation obtained on the ground. Now, we have two types of reasoning: inductive and deductive reasoning. Inductive reasoning. It is a type of making a decision from specific examples to general conclusions. It is a reasoning where you can observe a pattern. A conclusion that you reach using inductive reasoning is called conjecture. Deductive reasoning, a process of reasoning from one or more statements to reach a logical conclusion. It usually follows steps. First, a premise, a second premise, then an inference. We also have Polya's problem-solving strategies. There are 4 stages or steps. Step 1. Understand the problem. In this step, you will write all the given datas. Step 2. Devise a plan. You come up with a way on how to solve your problem. Step 3. Carry out the plan. This is where you solve the equation you came up with your step 2. Step 4. Look back or check and interpret. This is the process where you check all your informations from the previous steps. Now, the question is, how can we apply these concepts in real life? Let us see, for example. I have here a purse. Then, I take one coin, 1 peso coin from the purse. I have here 1 peso. Then, we take another peso from the purse. Then, I was able to take another peso from the purse. Now, what can we say about this? Since we were able to observe a pattern, then the description for the inductive reasoning tells us that in order to arrive in an inductive reasoning, we have to look for a pattern. Now, with this given example, we can use the inductive reasoning. We can say that since all the coins that I have taken out from the purse is all 1 peso, I can conclude that all the things inside this purse are 1 peso coins. And with that, we have arrived to a conclusion, and that conclusion is called conjecture. And this is one example of applying inductive reasoning in real life. Now let's move on to another example. Every time we go on a road trip, we always see this sign. Now, what does this sign tells us? It tells us that the road is slippery when wet. Using deductive reasoning, we can say, let's say for example that the road today is wet. We can conclude that since the road today is wet, the road is also slippery. And with that example, we were able to use deductive reasoning. Furthermore, there are also other examples of these reasonings. However, this topic helps us to understand on how to use or how to reason out properly, and in order for us to be able to arrive at the conclusion based on the given concept or the given situation. And that is all for this topic. Thank you.